Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week is an exciting week because, drumroll, it's Jen's birthday week. Last year we did a thing where I took a bunch of decorations from around the house, made it like completely immersive with like
so magical.
All of our little Harry Potter toys, and we had like floating candles, and I bought some really cheap decals even that we put around the house.
That have remained.
Yes, so if you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up in one of the corners and be sure to check it out. One thing we didn't include in that birthday video was I sent Jen on a scavenger hunt.
Yes.
For those of you that don't know, Jen adores puzzles.
I do.
And riddles and scavenger hunts. She loved it so much last year that I decided to make another one for her to do where she has to solve all of the Harry Potter riddles to then get her actual birthday gift.
Also, if you guys are concerned about why my face looks like this is the first I am hearing of this. I wanted to be surprised.
I thought that it would be a fun idea, especially if someone's trying to think of like a Harry Potter themed birthday. It's super cheap and it's a super fun idea, and you kind of just use things around the house. Also, we thought some of you would enjoy trying to solve some of the puzzles and riddles with us. Jen has kind
You'll
of
probably be shouting at the video, "It's Quidditch, you idiot!"
Jen has kind of a one-up because she knows items that are around our home and things that we use. So if you guys are interested in like how we create the Harry Potter and Disney riddles, just let us know and we could possibly do a video on that because it's actually a lot of fun. Be sure to comment down below. Wish Jen a very, very happy birthday. Are you excited?
Thank you. Yes, I'm nervous.
Shall we get started?
Yes.
I tend to do 7 riddles to represent the 7 Horcruxes. However, you got an 8th bonus this year.
Ooh.
Not including the one to get you started, because the one to get you started isn't actually...
It's not really real.
That's kind of real.
It's kind of real.
Your first clue is hidden.
Ooh, okay. We'll start this game out just the same, a rather fun object that bears your name. One may call it a limited edition. Be sure to bring it with you on the next Disney vacation. So it's Disney and Harry Potter. A rather fun object that bears your name. Oh! I ran the marathon at Disney for the 25th anniversary, and they gave us all hats. And when we went in September, I got my name engraved on the back. So pretty, I'm shaking.
Only people that ran the 25th marathon got it.
Yes.
Which is awesome.
I presume it's going to be in here, yes. A password used by the headmaster himself. One may find them on a candy shop shelf. Now, I believe this has to do with the Fizzing Whizbees, but I was under the impression that Morgan may have eaten them all. Let's see if they're still
Telling
here.
all of my secrets.
So, here's these guys. Put it in there. Okay. I'm so smart. And an item that will get you from here to there, from rooms to fast passes. It helps you prepare. I already know what it is. When used properly, it becomes your favorite key. With one swift move, put Mickey to Mickey. That's pretty good rhyming. I gotta come over here because I am looking for my magic band, which we put in this drawer. This is where we keep it. This is my magic band. And look, there's a clue. So fun. Your legs feel like Jell-O with this mental game you play. Just keep swimming is all the crowd seems to say. Keep your energy high, a tiny trophy you deserve. You did it, a square relic to observe. I know exactly what this is.
This year is much easier than last year.
I have adrenaline pumping through my veins. Just keep swimming is Dory is my spirit animal that I chose for the marathon. I dressed up as her. I bought a pin to put on my marathon lanyard that opens to say I did it. This is our super fancy place.
Don't mind the mess.
So these are all of our marathon medals. This is the 25 anniversary medal, and this is the pin, the square pin that we're talking about. It seems slightly ajar. I wonder why. See, it says 26.2, I did it. And here's my clue, which is really in there. A game played for almost 1,000 years, filling a stadium, Quidditch, you guys, with Sounds of cheers. Your house might win and you'll find your next clue depending on how well your players flew. You did a really good job on the clues this year.
I love doing them.
Like you get to enjoy the fun of me reading them. And
I know.
Quidditch! Let's go. For Christmas we got Legos. Shout out to Mom, thank you. So let's look and see. Yes, I see something. Excuse me, thank you. Last year I had no clue what was happening.
What to expect.
To help with a friend's transformation, only trusted eyes can see hidden information. Passed between many, it's seen somewhere. You won't be fooled either, just solemnly swear. Now this, to me, to help with a friend's transformation, only trusted eyes can see hidden information. So just solemnly swear says to me that it's the Marauders map, and that is what it is. To help with a friend's transformation, that's the 4 boys helping.
Why was it created?
Lupin, yeah, with his transformation because he was a werewolf. So it's over here. It threw me off, the friend's transformation. I was like, I don't have a friend.
Well, that's the history.
Come on, move the van. Let's do this. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Cast my spell on you. Okay, so I'm looking. It's gonna be in the innermost sanctum of the school. Nope, no, not there. It's in these little fancy flaps, isn't it? Yes. All right. An art form of sound organized in time. Some elements include pitch and rhythm and rhyme. An item with many wizarding indentations. Just open it up and hear its orchestration. This one has me a little stumped, or I don't have it immediately. Let's see.
Okay.
An art form of sound organized in time. Is it music? Harry Potter music. An item with me, just open up and hear its orchestration. Your book of Harry Potter songs. So this is Morgan's office. We've got Disney book, Disney piano book, we've got Hans Zimmer, Harry Potter. That's what we need. Couldn't give us a page number. We'll just go until we feel like it.
Maybe you need to go back to the drawing board.
Is this not correct? Oh no! An item with many wizarding indentations. Just open it up and hear its orchestration. I must think on this.
Okay.
Oh! Okay, come with me, it's not this. Indentations. They are used for when you have a music box. Just open it up and hear its orchestration. This was a box given to me by Morgan. I'm gonna play it before we open it. It's pretty amazing. It has like the Harry Potter glasses, platform 9 3/4, Quidditch hoops. It's got the Deathly Hallows. We open it up. There it is. Sure enough. I would get it. All right, we have another clue. Another clue to the theme of our event. This mode of transportation gets many dents. You'll find it in my boxed collection. It's when Ron and Harry get quite the ejection. They get ejected from the car. So it's the blue card. Do we have that in Lego form? I will look about the house. We have the Lego game called
Lego Dimensions.
Lego Dimensions. And I remember there was a blue car from that you could fly around. So, and it's in a box. And it's a collection of all the different things you can use in the game. What do you know? Let's peel this puppy off and put him back. All right, here we go.
Oh, you ripped the clue.
This is a bonus. And now for the main event and final clue comes a story when we grew up, hoping it's true. Your surprise in this section have the same name. Just find the chapter from whence it came. What? Now for the main event and final clue. That's a throwaway sentence. Your surprise and this section have the same name. Just find the chapter from whence it came. We had Quidditch. We had the blue card. We had the music. I'm gonna guess it's from book 2. I don't know what chapter I'm looking for. Oh, but there's something in there. I'll try to find it. We have The Worst Birthday. Oh, is it the Chamber of Secrets? Because that's the book of the 283. Look what I have found. I knew it! I guessed this a number of weeks ago based on an advertisement that Facebook told me I should participate in. We're gonna go see Harry Potter in orchestra, where they play the movie and a full orchestra plays the music instead of the movie playing the music. And I guessed it, and Morgan was like, no, I don't know why I would do that, that's weird.
So we are going to get ready now that you figured it out.
Is it tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Didn't read it, it's fine.
So we're gonna go out to dinner and then go to our show.
Yeah.
How's
And
that
I'm gonna
sound?
take my wand and my Hufflepuff lanyard and my
I
scarf.
don't know about that. All right, are you ready? Let's get ready.
We're gonna go to eat dinner
Right.
and go to the show and have a great time.
So much fun, especially like
is.
if your significant others or children like to do clues, and you can make them easier, you can make them hard.
And it's kind of fun to get your gift that way because it's not just like I wrapped you a thing and you open it. It's like you have to work for it. You gotta
Yeah.
sweat for it.
So I'm glad you enjoyed it. That is gonna do it for this video, you guys, and we will see you next week.
See you soon.
See you real soon.